For this application, we're going to fold this sheet in half in the Baum 714 first fold, then we're going to fold this in half again, then we're going to run it, and then it'll run in tandem with the 8-page, folding down in the number 2 plate and coming out like this to produce a small fold. For this application, we're taking this piece with Baum 714, we're folding up into the number 1, 2/3 of the length, then we're folding that in half, and then we are coming out, we're going down the crosscar in tandem, we're folding down the number 2 plate, and then out, finished product.